Welcome to the heart of the Andes Mountains, where the sun bathes sprawling green pastures. Here, on this beautiful llama farm, a remarkable journey begins. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how the soft, luxurious wool from these gentle creatures is collected, processed, and transformed into the exquisite yarn used for some of the world's finest clothing. It's a story of tradition, technology, and incredible care. The process starts with shearing, which happens just once a year. This timing is crucial to collect the finest, softest undercoat, known as the fleece, at its peak quality. Our skilled workers approach the llamas with calm and expertise, ensuring the animals feel safe and comfortable. Using professional shears, they carefully remove the woolly coat. It's a bit like getting a haircut, and it's completely painless for the llama. In fact, it helps them stay cool in the warmer months. As the shears glide through the fleece, you can see the incredibly soft fibers piling up on mats below. Just look at this, up close. The raw fleece is a cloud of fluffiness, with beautiful natural colors ranging from creamy white to rich browns and grays. The texture is simply divine, promising warmth and comfort. Once all the fleece is collected, the next critical step is sorting and cleaning. Not all wool is created equal. Our experienced sorters meticulously separate the fleece by hand, distinguishing the ultra-soft, fine undercoat from the coarser outer guard hairs. Only the most delicate fibers will make it to the next stage, destined to become high-end yarn and premium textiles. The coarser fibers have their own uses, but for luxury products, we need the best of the best. After sorting, the selected wool heads to the washing station. It's just loaded onto a conveyor and gently moved through large tanks filled with warm water and a mild, eco-friendly soap. This bath gently removes any dirt, debris, and natural oils, like lanolin, without damaging the delicate fibers. After a thorough rinse, the clean, fluffy wool is carefully laid out on drying racks, where warm air circulates to bring it back to its pristine, airy state. The transformation is already incredible to see. Now that the wool is clean and dry, it's time for carding. This is where the magic of alignment happens. The fluffy clumps of wool are fed into a carding machine, which is essentially a series of rollers covered in fine, wire teeth. These rollers gently brush and detangle the fibers, teasing them apart and arranging them into long, parallel strands. This process is essential for creating a smooth, uniform yarn later on. Think of it as combing tangled hair until it's perfectly straight. Watching the fibers pass through the rollers in slow motion is mesmerizing. You can see them becoming more organized and streamlined with each rotation. Our team keeps a close watch on the machines, making sure there are no tangles or snags that could compromise the quality of the fibers. With the fibers perfectly aligned, we move on to spinning. This is the stage where loose, wispy fibers are transformed into strong, continuous threads. The carded wool, now in a form called a roving, is carefully fed into a spinning machine. The machine twists the fibers together, binding them into a single, cohesive strand of yarn. The amount of twist determines the yarn's strength and texture. It's a delicate balance. Too little twist and the yarn is weak, too much and it becomes harsh. As the yarn emerges, you can really appreciate its soft texture and natural luster. Our operators expertly guide the newly spun yarn onto large spools, maintaining the perfect tension to ensure a consistent, high-quality product. The gentle hum of the spinning machines is the sound of creation in progress. Now for the most colorful part of the process, dyeing. While llama wool's natural shades are beautiful, we can also create a stunning spectrum of colors. The spools of yarn are carefully lowered into large vats filled with dye. We use a variety of dyes, from natural plant-based pigments to modern synthetic ones, all chosen to ensure the color penetrates deeply while preserving the fiber's incredible softness and strength. The yarn soaks in the glowing vats until it has absorbed the perfect hue. After dyeing, the yarn is rinsed thoroughly to remove any excess color, then sent to be dried once more. A final, gentle brushing helps restore its original fluffiness, making it irresistibly soft to the touch. The result is a breathtaking array of finished yarn spools, lined up in every color imaginable, ready for the next step. Before any yarn leaves our facility, it must pass a rigorous quality control inspection. Every single spool is checked by our expert team. They examine it for consistency in color and thickness, test its strength, and, most importantly, feel for that signature softness. Any yarn that doesn't meet our exacting standards for luxury wool is set aside. Only the best is good enough for our customers. Once approved, the yarn is carefully wound into retail-ready skeins or packaged onto cones for major fashion brands and designers. Each package is prepared with care, protecting the precious product inside. From a bird's-eye view, the factory floor is a vibrant tapestry of color and activity, a testament to the skill and dedication that goes into every single strand. And so, the journey is complete. From the sun-drenched pastures of the Andes, where llamas graze peacefully, to the bustling floor of a modern factory, this incredible natural fiber has been transformed through a blend of age-old care, human skill, and cutting-edge technology. The next time you pull on your favorite soft sweater, you'll know the amazing story behind it. Thanks for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed learning about how things are made, be sure to subscribe for more factory tours and documentaries on fascinating processes.